question from Puan Nabeesah. She says she has 2 adopted daughters, both adults, and she is a single mother. She says her flat is in her sole name and her biggest concern is, if I pass on, my 6 sisters and 2 stepbrothers who are estranged are the beneficiaries. And so her girls will have nowhere to go. How can Puan Nabeesah help them stay in their own home? So let's break it down. First off, Puan Nabeesah owns the house in single name and she has 2 adopted daughters. From Faraid, we know adopted children, stepchildren, have no share in Faraid. It's a susah lah, let's put it this way, it's a day also. And so in this particular case, her biggest concern is her 2 adopted daughters will not get the flat if and when she passes on, and instead her sisters and stepbrothers, and we know stepbrothers don't get a share, are estranged. So then how? Wow. So in this case, I will give some bits of advice. Number 1, Puan Nabeesah, please put your children as essential occupiers in the house so that in the event that she passes away, there is a case that you can raise and say the daughters have no place to go, they are adults, but they may not be able to afford their own housing yet. And so the sale of the flat can be postponed until a later date when the daughters actually can then afford their own house. Option number 1. Now, option number 2. This one, you can approach any good property agent, emphasis on good property agent, and or go to HDB's website and apply for a transfer of ownership, not through a sale. So when you do a transfer of ownership not through a sale, Puan Nabeesah can add on her adult children as part of the joint tenancy owners in the HDB property. Then, if she passes away, the house will then go to the survivors. Now, there is a fatwa of 2019 stating that this joint tenancy right of survivorship is acceptable, and so they don't really have to worry if Puan Nabeesah passes away. The surviving daughters, who are also joint tenant owners, not just occupiers, can then inherit the flat from her in full. So it's very easy. Go to HDB's website, go and search for transfer of ownership not through a sale. Go through the process, set an appointment with HDB. Inshallah, they'll be able to add in the adult child, and then from there, if and when Puan Nabeesah passes away, the house will go to them in full. I hope this answers the question. Please send me your questions, send me your comments about this particular case, and I'll be happy to answer all of your questions, inshallah. Assalamualaikum.